There is a man living in a small town. At first, bananas are very rare. Because bananas are hard to find, they are valuable and expensive. One day, farmers start growing more banana trees. Soon, bananas become common. Because bananas are no longer rare, their price goes down. Now the man discovers how good bananas taste. He eats bananas every day and tells his friends about a great banana shop. More people start buying bananas. But the farmer is still producing the same number of bananas. Demand goes up, supply stays the same. So banana prices increase. This is demand pull inflation. The farmer wants to grow more bananas. But banana seeds, water, fertilizer, and labor become more expensive. To cover the higher costs, the farmer raises banana prices. This is cost push inflation. Now the government steps in. The government thinks people don't have enough money. Let's print more money. People now have more money, but the number of bananas stays the same. Everyone rushes to buy bananas. Prices rise again. This is monetary inflation. Government prints even more money. Prices rise faster. Money slowly loses its value. Eventually, banana prices become ridiculously high. This is hyperinflation. Finally, the government burns the old money and introduces a new currency made of sticks. A fresh start. Inflation is not always bad. If the man's income increases at the same rate as banana prices, he is happy. If his income increases, but banana prices stay the same, he becomes rich. If his income stays the same, but banana prices rise, he becomes poor and sad. The lesson is simple. To protect himself from inflation, the man should invest in things that grow over time. Because sometimes, inflation really goes bananas.